as the title says, I am giving you a bit of an update on how the channel is doing and where it's going, you know, what's going on in the future. So with that, let's get on with it. Right, so the channel is doing really well. It is growing nicely. I would like it to grow a lot faster if I could, but that is out of my hands. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It will help the channel to grow. And if you like any of my videos, including this one, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Again, that does help the channel to grow, believe it or not. It helps the algorithms on YouTube or whatever channel or forum or whatever you're watching me on. So first things first, we are going to be doing some changes to the channel itself. I'm going to be looking at changing the website to a more professional website, one that will be more pleasing to the eye, and also installing a forum on there so you'll be able to write other things on there as well and talk to other people. So that will be coming up in the future, hopefully this year. I'm pretty sure it will be this year. I will have to sort something out. It needs updating. It needs, you know, being made modern. And also we will carry on doing our tech stuff, whatever it may be, whether it be a computer build. Oh yeah, check out, I will be doing a computer build this year, hopefully. Forget the parts, they're all on order. And hopefully I will be doing an upgrade on that baby there. It needs an upgrade. It's about 6-7 years old now. So, you know, on the hardware on the inside. So it definitely needs an upgrade. So we'll be doing that. I will still be doing my other unboxing stuff. Also let me know in the comments whether you like the unboxing bit or just want to get straight into it. I need to know. I need some feedback on that. You know, do you like the unboxing? Do you think it's boring? Would you like it speeded up? Could I do some that are sped up, slowed down? Let me know in the comments. You know, be honest with me. Say no, it's boring. I don't like it. Just get on with it, Yorkie. I need to know. So what we are doing, well actually we've already done it. We split the channel up into two. So now we have the Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech, my #1 channel. We also have a slots channel. So we play slots 5 days a week, and I've been doing it on Yorkies Bits and Bobs for about 2 to 3 years now. And we thought, well, it's about time we split up. So we split the channel up, so it's into 2 parts. We now have Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech, and we have YorkieSlots. So I will put the links in for both channels, this one and YorkieSlots, because I'm putting this video on the other channel as well. So we split up so that both sides can see the other channel sort of thing, if you know what I mean. Also on the new channel, YorkieSlots, we also have a website, and I must admit, it does look very professional. Check that out as well. It's called YorkiesSlots.com. And it, like I said, it looks pucker, it looks very professional. You know, I wish I'd done that for this one, or for Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. I wish I'd done a website like that, like I've got for that one. I didn't actually make it. One of my subscribers made it for me, and thank you very much, Paul. You're the man, you're the mayor, but you're not Darren. Because your name's Paul. Yeah, thank you very much, Paul. He made the website for me, and it does look really good. It's got a forum on there, and we are doing giveaways on there. I've done a couple on Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech, and I'd like to do some more, but I need to build the channel. The channel needs to keep building. I need more subscribers, and the more subscribers I get, the more chance I can do giveaways. I like doing giveaways. I think it's wonderful. It just helps the channel to keep growing. It's really nice to give giveaways. So hopefully I can do more of that in the future for this channel. And I'm going to plan to do more giveaways on the slots, and that will be in the form of either vouchers, like Amazon vouchers, stuff like that, or product. If I've got a spare product I want to, you know, give to one of you, or on the slot side, it could be a cash thing, you know, where I pay it, say like 50 quid on a casino for you, and you know, you can have free money. It might be something like that, but that is on the slots. And the giveaways on this channel will be either vouchers for like something like Amazon, you can buy whatever you like, or it might be a free product. So keep an eye out for them. Don't forget, like I said, you need to subscribe to see them. So make sure you keep subscribing to my channel, and make sure you encourage people to join it as well, because I need subscribers or followers. I need them people to keep the channel growing, and I will get more and more products as well. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you like this idea, whether you think it's a brilliant idea. And with the home tech, also let me know whether or not you like me doing the actual unboxing bit, where I'll show you around the box, or let me know whether you think, oh, that's boring, no? Just get on with it, Yorkie. I need to know these things because it does help the channel. It helps me to understand what you lot want, and I can only improve. We are doing a computer build this year. That little baby over there, my big boy, that one, yeah. It needs an upgrade, and I've been trying to get the parts for months now, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they should be turning up this week. So look out for a video. If you're interested in computer builds, I will be doing a computer build on that baby, and it's going to cost around about £2,500. So it's not cheap, but I need to upgrade it because I do a lot of video editing, I do a lot of gaming, I do a lot of loads and lots of things. There's a lot going on that computer. It does most of the donkey work. I've got a spare one down there, and it's not powerful enough. So what I want to do is take the gubbins out of that one, stick it in that one, and do a complete update on that one. So that is the plan. So they are the plans for the future. I am going to be doing some live streaming on Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech, and it will probably be on a Monday night, maybe in the next couple of weeks, so keep an eye out for that. And that will be something to do with some light gaming, Call of Duty, CSGO, something like Apex Legends, Zombies, and also Q&As. So if you've got a question you need answering about one of the videos I've done a review on, you can ask the question and I will try and answer it. Doesn't mean I'll have the answer, but you can actually try and answer, or I can actually try and answer it. Or even better, if someone's actually watching at a time and sees the question being asked, if you know the answer, you can ask, you can tell them, you can say, well, I know that, you need this, that and the other. We need to share, don't we? So again, let me know what you think. I need your feedback on this. And with that, if you like this channel, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you any money. And like I said, it does help the channel to grow. Cheers, baby.